Hey look, it's Milan over there. Look at Milan's skyscrapers, wow. It's been a while since I came here. They've changed a few things, yeah, very nice. A bit of innovation. It was empty just the same. Allianz, PVC here, City Life, and Generali. The Generali guys are truly badass and incredibly formidable, indeed. But what is this? A skyscraper tour, Metro 5 is automatic.
Lilac.
Guys,
Dicocker. It fits. It fits. It fits. It fits. It fits.
and this particular one is yellow in color.
Like a
Yellow one? Like the yellow one.